Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on Grand Theft Auto 5 PC through Epic Games. First, gather your equipment. You will need your PlayStation 4 controller, a USB cable, or a Bluetooth-enabled computer. Ensuring your controller is fully charged is also a good practice, as this prevents interruptions during setup. Connecting your controller seamlessly to your PC will enhance your gaming experience, providing precise control and familiar comfort for your gameplay sessions. The next crucial step is to download and install PS4 Windows, a powerful third-party application. This software effectively emulates an Xbox 360 controller, which makes your PlayStation 4 controller fully compatible with Grand Theft Auto 5 on your PC. You should always download PS4 Windows from a well-known, trusted source to ensure your system's security. After downloading the compressed file, extract its contents to a folder on your desktop or preferred location for easy access during installation. Now, launch PS4 Windows and connect your PlayStation 4 controller using either a USB cable or via Bluetooth. The application should quickly recognize your controller, allowing you to establish a new profile. Within this profile, you have the flexibility to customize all button mappings and fine-tune sensitivity settings to perfectly match your play style for Grand Theft Auto 5. Be sure to save your newly configured profile, giving it a clear name like GTAV Profile for easy selection in the future. With PS4 Windows active and your controller connected, launch Grand Theft Auto 5 directly from your Epic Games launcher. The game should automatically detect and utilize your PlayStation 4 controller for all inputs once it loads. If you experience any issues, such as unresponsive controls, first try running PS4 Windows with administrator privileges. Sometimes, simply restarting both the PS4 Windows application and Grand Theft Auto 5 can resolve common connectivity problems, getting you back into the action quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.